This is Joanne Hammond, and today I am in the hills of Sosua in a neighborhood called La Mulata. This property is super unique. It's got a great sized pool, lots of outdoor terrace areas. The main villa has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with a large kitchen. Beside the villa is a small studio apartment. We'll go take a look at that now. Just through here. It is a studio. There's new air conditioners throughout. Small kitchenette, and the washroom is through here. On this property, there is also a full studio that's air conditioned, as well as an additional 3-bedroom villa. There's a covered terrace area here leading out onto the pool. Multiple doors leading to the inside. Dining area right here. Kitchen, very large. It's right through here. Breakfast bar. Stainless appliances. And the living area is right here. There's 2 bedrooms on this level and an additional bedroom upstairs. All the bedrooms have a bathroom. Through here on the right is the master. Nice size rooms. This has a walk-in closet, as well as an ensuite washroom through here. On the other side of the living room is the 2nd bedroom. Not as large as the master, but still nice spacious rooms. Again, with an ensuite washroom. Upstairs, there is an additional bedroom with a bathroom with a half bath right here at the front door. Sitting area, office here on this level. I appreciate the height of these ceilings, massive. Third bedroom through here. New air conditioners. Ensuite washroom right through here. From here we can step onto the 2nd level terrace. There are panoramic ocean views. This property is fully walled and gated with 2 automatic gates. At the base of the driveway, there is a 2nd villa with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The carport is to one side of the villa right here. Comfortably parks 2 cars. You can see above we have solar panels. And down through here is the studio or workshop. It could be an artist's studio, could be an office. It's air conditioned. Nice size. And this is also where the washer and dryer are located in this building here. At the bottom of this driveway is the second villa. 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and a pool. Coming down the driveway, you can see the second villa right here. Let's go take a look inside. Stepping into the kitchen, living area on the left. Ceilings are quite high. First bedroom through here. Nicely decorated. Washroom with a walk-in shower, which is located between these 2 rooms. This bedroom has sliding doors opening onto the pool. The master bedroom is on the other side of the kitchen area, with a walk-in closet, an additional washer dryer. Opens onto the pool deck, and an ensuite. Double showers. All these windows make for a lot of natural light. It feels really bright, airy, spacious. Outdoor shower, pool deck right through here. Another shower. So there we have it. We have 2 villas, one with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The main villa has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, but also with an additional studio apartment to one side, and an air-conditioned workshop / studio area. So 3 full buildings. All in La Mulata. Big plus here is that there are no HOA fees. 2 pools.